Why seniors should drink okra water daily. Doctors are shocked by the results. Have you ever wondered why some seniors seem more energetic, healthier, and full of life than others? The secret might be surprisingly simple: a daily glass of okra water. This natural drink is rich in soluble fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. Many people believe it may help support healthy blood sugar levels, improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and promote heart health, which makes it especially interesting for people over 60. In today's video, we'll explore what may happen to your body when seniors drink okra water every day, along with the science and surprising facts behind this growing health trend. Stay with us until the end, because this simple daily habit might change the way you think about healthy aging. 1. Help support healthy blood sugar levels. One of the most talked about benefits of okra water for seniors is its potential role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. As people age, the body may become less efficient at managing glucose, which can lead to energy crashes and other health concerns. Okra contains soluble fiber that forms a gel-like texture when soaked in water. This natural gel may help slow the absorption of sugar in the digestive system. Because of this, many people believe okra water can help maintain steadier blood sugar throughout the day. Seniors who drink it regularly often say they feel fewer sudden drops in energy. Some studies have also looked at compounds in okra that may influence glucose metabolism. While it is not a replacement for medical treatment, it may be a helpful natural addition to a balanced lifestyle. Drinking okra water in the morning is a common habit among those who use it for this reason. The simple preparation also makes it easy to include in a daily routine. Over time, small habits like this may contribute to better overall metabolic balance. 2. Supports heart health. Heart health becomes increasingly important with age, and many seniors look for natural ways to support their cardiovascular system. Okra water contains nutrients that may contribute to better heart health. One of these is soluble fiber, which is known for helping manage cholesterol levels. Fiber can bind to cholesterol in the digestive tract and help remove it from the body. Okra also contains antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to inflammation and damage in blood vessels over time. By providing protective compounds, okra water may support healthier circulation. Some people also drink it as part of a heart-friendly diet rich in fruits and vegetables. The hydration from this drink can also support proper blood flow. For seniors who want a simple daily habit to complement healthy eating, okra water can be an interesting option. It is gentle, natural, and easy to prepare. Over time, consistent habits may help support long-term cardiovascular wellness. 3. Improves digestion and gut health. Digestive health is another major concern for many older adults. As the body ages, digestion can sometimes become slower or less efficient. Okra water is often praised for the way it supports the digestive system. The soluble fiber found in okra helps create a soothing gel that moves through the digestive tract. This can help support smoother digestion and more regular bowel movements. Many seniors report feeling less digestive discomfort after including fiber-rich foods in their diet. Okra also contains compounds that may support the balance of healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly linked to many aspects of overall health. When digestion works better, the body can absorb nutrients more effectively. This means vitamins and minerals from food are used more efficiently. Drinking okra water regularly may help support a more comfortable digestive routine. Over time, better gut health may also support energy and overall well-being. 4. Boosts the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for staying healthy later in life. Okra contains several nutrients that may help support immune function. One of the most important is vitamin C, which plays a key role in immune defense. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells. These cells help the body fight infections and harmful microorganisms. Okra also contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Over time, oxidative stress can weaken the body's natural defenses. By providing antioxidant support, okra water may contribute to a stronger immune response. Seniors often look for simple ways to support immunity without complicated supplements. Drinking a natural plant-based beverage like okra water can be an easy option. It also contributes to daily hydration, which is important for immune function. Combined with a healthy diet, small habits like this can help the body stay resilient. 5. Supports healthy weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can become more challenging with age. Metabolism may slow down, and physical activity sometimes decreases. Okra water may support weight management in several gentle ways. First, it is very low in calories while still containing beneficial nutrients. The soluble fiber in okra can also promote a feeling of fullness. Feeling satisfied after drinking it may help reduce unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Fiber also supports stable digestion, which can influence how the body processes food. Some people include okra water in the morning as part of a balanced routine. Drinking it before breakfast may help people feel more satisfied with smaller meals. Hydration itself can also play a role in managing appetite. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. By drinking okra water regularly, seniors may support healthier eating habits. Over time, consistent daily choices can contribute to better weight balance. 6. Provides powerful antioxidants. Another reason okra water has attracted attention is its antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body from cellular damage. As we age, the body is exposed to more oxidative stress. This stress can come from environmental factors, processed foods, and natural metabolic processes. Okra contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenol. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Protecting cells from oxidative damage may support long-term health. Antioxidants are also linked to healthier aging in many studies. Many fruits and vegetables contain these protective compounds, and okra is no exception. Drinking okra water may be a simple way to add more plant-based antioxidants to the diet. While it should not replace whole vegetables, it can complement them. For seniors looking to support their body at the cellular level, antioxidant-rich foods can be very valuable. 7. May support joint comfort. Joint discomfort is a common concern for many seniors. Over time, normal wear and tear can affect mobility and flexibility. Okra contains nutrients that may help support joint health. One reason is its antioxidant content, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is often associated with joint discomfort. Some traditional health practices also use okra for its soothing properties. The natural gel-like compounds found in okra may support connective tissue health. While research is still developing, many people believe regular consumption can support joint comfort. Staying hydrated is also important for maintaining joint lubrication. Drinks like okra water can contribute to overall fluid intake. Seniors who maintain good hydration often experience better physical comfort. When combined with gentle exercise and a balanced diet, small habits can support long-term mobility. 8. Easy to prepare and add to a daily routine. One of the biggest reasons okra water is becoming popular is how simple it is to prepare. Unlike complicated health drinks, this one requires only a few ingredients. Typically, fresh okra pods are washed and sliced. They are then soaked in water overnight. During this time, the beneficial compounds and soluble fiber are released into the water. In the morning, the water can be strained and consumed. Many people prefer to drink it on an empty stomach. The preparation takes only a few minutes, yet it can easily become a daily wellness ritual. Seniors especially appreciate habits that are simple and sustainable. Because the ingredients are inexpensive and widely available, it is accessible to many households. A small routine like this can encourage mindfulness about health. Over time, simple daily habits can make a meaningful difference in overall well-being. As we move beyond the age of 50, most people begin looking for simple, natural ways to protect their health, maintain their energy, and enjoy life with greater vitality. Okra water has gained attention because it offers a gentle, plant-based way to support digestion, heart health, balance blood sugar, and overall wellness. While it's not a miracle cure, many seniors appreciate how easy it is to prepare and include in their daily routine. Small habits practiced consistently can often make the biggest difference over time. A simple glass each morning may become a powerful reminder to take care of your body and invest in healthy aging. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical health tips designed especially for adults over 50. Your support helps us continue sharing helpful content to keep you informed, healthy, and inspired. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new